Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today we're gonna make a bug hotel. Ew! First, let's get the stuff. Oh, nobody saw that. We're gonna be using a bird house kit so we can make the bug hotel. So let's get started. Whoa. Alright guys, we finally finished the bug hotel. Now let's find some stuff so we can put it in for the bugs. Alright guys, we finally got some pine cones and we really want to attract ladybugs because there's this bug called aphids that eat our milkweed, and we would rather have ladybugs eat them because we don't want our milkweed eaten. In case you're wondering what aphids look like, these are what aphids look like. There's thousands of aphids there, I think. So ladybugs eat thousands of aphids, so our milkweed will be okay. Alright, let's put some of these pine cones in one of these hotel rooms. Let's do this one. Of course we're gonna do the big chungus one. Okay guys, we got all of the pine cones in, but try not to put so much in it so you can have enough room for the ladybugs to move around. But now we need to find some twigs. Like, this is like a twig. Alright guys, we got both rooms filled up, pine cones and twigs, but now we need to put it in the perfect spot where we need to have bugs, and hopefully they move in really fast. So let's go over there. Have to wait for some bugs to head in there, and they can help our garden. Okay guys, make sure to build your own bug house. It's really good for the environment. Give a big thumbs up, subscribe, comment, put all notifications on. Bye!